Disclaimer. This material is for informational purposes only and is not a call to action. Trading involves risks. Access to the bot is granted only if all these rules are followed. Dear friends, hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I would like to start my first day with $150. Crypto assets will help me with this. I'll be trading them today, so I'll select them in advance. Although in reality, I can't really choose much, simply because only 3 crypto assets currently have a good payout percentage. So I'll move on to stocks. I'll also trade stocks and see if it's actually possible for me to make profitable trades with stocks today as well. I've selected the necessary stocks on which I'll be receiving signals. So here's what I ended up with: 3 crypto assets and 3 companies with stocks. So the starting capital is $150. The trade duration will be 10 seconds. As always, my trading robot is helping me with this. The link to it will be in the description below this video. This trading robot is absolutely free. The goal is to reach $7,000 thanks to the 6 or 7 trades that I'll be making today. So my candle time frame is precisely 5 seconds. Basically, the entire preparation process for initiating trading activities is now completely finished. I'd like to show you a review from one of my subscribers. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for your support. I'm glad that your results fully met your expectations. You're doing great and I wish you continued growth and success. Well done. That's a result that deserves attention. Guys, I can get started now. But please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to keep watching my content. The first asset is Pfizer stock. I select the stock and start the signal. According to the signal, I need to buy here. I open a buy trade, and for this trade to close with a profit and for me to get a good return, it needs to close above the entry point. And that's exactly what happened. The trade is closed, so I can move on to the next asset. My next asset will be American Express stock. I select these shares and request a signal. According to the signal, I need to open a sell trade here. Why a sell trade? Let's check why. Because there is a downward trend. Alongside the downward trend, there is a strong resistance level. Based on this resistance level, the trade closed with a profit. Thus, the signal was thoroughly verified and confirmed to be working correctly and as intended. Alright, I can now confidently move on to the next stage of the process. Microsoft stock. I select these shares on the trading robot. So I find it and request a signal. According to the signal, I need to open a sell trade here. Let's check why. Because there is a very strong downward price movement here. So everything is going down here. And that's exactly what happened. And thanks to this, the profit from this trade is now in my balance. Okay, what's next? And next, guys, is that this trading tool is free and I'll leave a link to it in the description under this video. The next asset is a crypto asset. Now I need to select it on the trading robot and start the signal. According to the signal, I need to open a sell trade here. The trade is open. Accordingly, now we also expect a decline on this trade, just like in the previous situation. An absolutely mixed picture. The trade closed positively. The result is more than excellent. Guys, the next asset. We select crypto assets, choose the one we need and request a signal. According to the signal, we also need to open a sell trade here. The situation is good here as well. There is a level from which reversals occur. Accordingly, thanks to a properly analyzed signal, the trade here closed in profit. Okay, everything is great. But please remember that trading, guys, is risky, and the risk is that you can lose your capital and your balance at any moment. So please be careful. Under no circumstances should you enter trading with your last funds. This is not about luck, it is truly hard work that has been done. So be careful and by all means, do not be reckless. And please, if you are trading, then trade according to risk management and money management principles. Do not trade more than 3% of your balance. Follow all the rules and under no circumstances take unnecessary risks because the risk of loss here is quite high. My next asset. I open this crypto asset on the trading robot and request a signal. According to the signal, I can buy here. I hope the trading robot won't let me down here and that I'll be able to hit my target with this trade. Yes, the target is reached. I'm extremely happy with the result. $7,500 on my balance. Everything I wanted to accomplish today has been accomplished. Starting with just $150, in literally 7 minutes of trading, I was able to reach this amount. All thanks to this artificial intelligence. Thank you so much. I'm so glad to have you. I'm really happy that I was able to activate you for free and that you helped me in my trading. Guys, I want to remind you once again to please remember and be careful that trading always involves risks, and at any moment you can incur a loss, and that loss can be equal to your entire balance. My trading style is quite risky. I do not recommend that you do what I do in the video. With that, I'll wrap up my video. I wish each of you a great day and see you next time. Goodbye everyone.